In this time and age of natural hair care, the idea of protective styling has been generally accepted by almost everyone, if not all. So whether you're transitioning from a chemically treated hair or a damaged hair, you just decided you want a fresh start, then protective styling is the way to go. This practice of protective styling has no doubt attracted a lot of attention because of its potential to promote hair growth, retain length, and maintain overall hair health. So, in as much as protective styling can be different for each and every one of us, there are two major styles that I consider protective, and that is twist and braids. Now, you may wonder and ask why I chose those two hairstyles, and that's because they have every tendency to help you retain moisture, they facilitate length retention, and they are time efficient, like for busy moms especially, or those of us who have a lot in our hands to do. These two hairstyles are time efficient, and they are also ideal for transitioning and fragile hair. So those people who are transitioning from chemically damaged hair or relaxed hair, you can easily do these two hairstyles that I've mentioned. And how does this hairstyle help you to retain moisture? So as we all know, natural hair has the tendency to dry out fast than any other hair types. So putting my hair in styles like twist, as you can see me doing here, or braids like I sometimes do, is to help me, keeping that moisture for long. So twisting in a way helps to, put your hair together, and when your hair are, together, it's difficult for it to lose moisture. But when your hair is exposed and left out to the weather elements, the moisture goes out faster. So that's the trick to this, and I've been doing this for the past 2.5 years, and I've seen the results each and every time. So also, this has helped me to improve my hair's elasticity and also its manageability. Like my hair was so hard like initially, but right now I can very much easily manage my hair without any problem at all. So protective styling also helps to facilitate length retention. Now, for those of us that either want to grow longer hair or fuller hair, protective hairstyle plays an important role in these areas because it helps you put your hair away, for a long period of time or for a short period of time. But the most important thing is to not, be on your hair at every point in time. So it helps you protect your hair and keep your hair away from the frequent brushing and combing and all those over manipulation, because those are the things that aid hair loss over a period of time. You start discovering that you're losing hair and all that just because the frequent brushing, the frequent combing, the frequent manipulation. Putting your hair in a protective style reduces that tendency of touching your hair or manipulating your hair every single time. As for protective styling being time efficient, we all can attest to the fact that the times are busy, everyone has got one thing or the other to do. So having to style your hair every single day is not an option. So putting your hair away in some sort of protective style like twist and braids helps you to better manage your time. And this also leads to the second point that I shared with you guys, because your hands are less on your hair and then you are able to retain as much length as possible. And as for the time factor, protective styling is a lifesaver. Like, it's a lifesaver for, I'm sure, almost everybody, if not everybody, because we don't want to have to deal with our hair every single day. So putting them out in a protective style is something that benefits everyone in the long run. As for those of us transitioning from a relaxed hair or a chemically treated damaged hair, protective styling is a way to nurture and restore your hair back to health. So it's not overwhelming. Even if you are a learner or a beginner, you don't know how to make your hair, you just want to care for your hair yourself, these twists and braids are so easy Like, they are the easiest hairstyles to make that can help you transition to have a smooth transitioning. So they are not overwhelming, like I said, and they are very, very good, and they are not stressful on your hair shaft. So it helps you gradually phase out, those damaged or thin ends. So protective styling is very, very important. And if you've been looking for something to, get by with or to start with, or you're not sure how it's going to benefit you, as I've shared right in this video and other of my videos, which I'm going to drop the links in the description box, you're going to see different ways in which you can, make use of protective styling to grow out your natural hair. I'm a testimony. This has helped me, and I'm sure that it can help you, because most of us that have natural coily textured hair, we benefit more from protective hairstyling. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you learned one or two things from this. I just thought to bring this out here so that to help those of us that are just starting on our hair care journey, that are beginners, and we're trying to figure out what to do, what not to do, and all that. So this will help you to make better informed decision on what you're going to do in your hair care journey. So please drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this, what you think about protective styling. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.